Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. Oh, by the way, I'm supposed to promote my book every now and then. My partner Peter Salinger said I should promote it, so there it is. Anyway, I have written a book. We've written a book about IRS settlements. I want to talk to you. Oh, by the way, I've been on the national news 10 times. Not on it for anything bad. I've been on it. Go to my website at 777irs.com. You'll learn about me. I want to talk to you today. Oh, I'm so discombobulated today. I worked for IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 42 years. I want to talk to you about do you need a tax relief company? Should you hire one, and what you should look for? I've been doing this work for 42 years on the outside. It sounds like I was in jail. I worked for IRS 10. It felt like I was in jail, but on the outside, no. There's a lot of scam artists out there. And, for simple things, like if you don't have a lot of money, you can call IRS. They'll probably put you in hardship. If you want to make a payment agreement, you can go online and make a payment agreement with IRS, as long as you want to make payments the same every month for a number of years. IRS will grant you a streamlined payment. But on larger dollar cases, you're crazy calling IRS yourself. So a certain type of case demand says you can call yourself. You don't have a lot of money, call yourself. You want to get a payment agreement, go to irs.gov and set up your payment plan online. Anything other than that, you're going to need someone else to do your work. You're kidding yourself if you think you're going to represent yourself and you think you're going to get the best deal. Why? Because you don't know what kind of deal you're getting if you've never worked the cases. Everyone calls me and I talk to them. I tell them a fee. They say, well, I'm just going to do it myself. Well, I say, go ahead. How do you know what results you're getting? You don't. And what you think you may be getting a good result is in fact not that good of a result. So yes, there are certain cases that need it. The second thing, if you're getting a pit in your stomach and having to call IRS, don't call them either. If you owe under 20,000, 25, it's okay to call IRS on cases like that. So there's a number of cases that you can call IRS yourself. If IRS is starting to send you threatening letters, they're date sensitive letters, and they're going to start taking enforcement action on you, yes, you better call a tax relief company, but just not a tax relief company. People go shopping on the internet, they hit all these sponsored ads, they call all these big box firms, and they get ripped off because you're talking to salespeople. Don't talk to a person. I go over this on so many videos that I make. You should Zoom with the person you're hiring to know if you think they're legitimate or not. If you're speaking to someone at a big box firm, they're not going to have you go on Zoom. You know why? They're going to realize you're in a call center with other people. You want to speak to an attorney, a CPA, a former IRS agent, enrolled agent, someone who obviously knows what they're doing. I wouldn't tell you to work with anyone who hasn't had less than 10 years experience. There's a certain criteria certainly that I have, but if you have a serious IRS problem, yeah, you need a tax relief person, not a firm. There's a big difference. Give me a call, give me a subscription. Thank you.